เนี่ย
Hello everyone. Now let's find some millipede. Oh here. Yeah. Small millipede.
รถยกจับอ่ะเอาจริงเลย
Okay.
จับประตูเนี่ย
Okay. Let's find some more.
ถ่ายโอ้ยเนี่ย
Ooh. Oh my god.
ตู้
Oh.
จับอ่ะ
Ooh. Wow, this one is so big. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh. This guy is so cool. Oh. Oh, wait. Okay. Oh. Wow, so big. Oh. This one is very good at acting. Come on. Let it go. Hey, what you doing? Okay, let's see one more. It's a snail. Shoot snail here. See? Yeah. Look at it doing. Okay. There's so many. Oh my god. Oh, that is earthworm. Oh. Where are you going? Ayo. Okay. Oh wow. See another one. Ooh.
ไม่มันเอาหนังเลย
Oh.
Oh.
Oh my god.
หลายคืนด้วย
Look. Yeah. Oh.
จริงเหรอ
Okay. But this guy is so cool. Wow.
นี่น้ำมันเฉย
Yeah,
แล้วมาเติม
let's put him here.
เออตามาจ่ายไว้ไง
Hmm?
ตามาจ่ายไว้ไง
Put him here.
จ่ายตาออนค่ะ
Okay. Here, one more. Amazing. They are hiding themselves in under the dead wood. Wow, look at here. Yeah, the ball millipede is so cute. See? Look at here, look at there. Oh, here, one more here. Ow. Where's he? Oh, where is it? Okay, here one more. See, okay, cool. Oh, it's here. Okay, so cute. Yeah, I like this type of millipede because they look so cute. Okay, let's find out more here. Because millipede like to live in the wet area, like under the wood. Oh, this is so big. This wood is so big. Oh, look how's the inside. Oh, whew, there's nothing. It's hard to find here. Oh, no, there's no here. Oh, here, what am I here? It's the it's the short body millipede. It's here. Okay, let's catch them. This one is so short. Oh, see? Cool. Hả?
Con.
Nào mấy? So cute.
Dựa bàn mùi ấy.
Hey yo. Okay, find more.
Uống liều rơm bà ra ha. Ngoại trái má mà rơm bà ra ha.
So big. Wow.
Bị hột tóc bắt. Bị hột tóc bắt nó.
Wow.
À bác bắt cầm hộp.
So big, so big. Wow. So big. Okay.
Nước đau.
Hả? Mơm á. Ấy dạ. Okay.
Trái son của hao tao bắt đó. Ngược son à.
Chỗ.
À có ngoài mất son này à.
That's right. Mày hơn lắm. Mày tay nào mày rồi. Need a small one. Sure. Wow. See. Cool. So cool. One more here. A snail. No. Ngó mày. Okay.
Thôi cho ao kẹo.
Ở cái tục nhà là chài.
Khơi nụ.
Mất khơi nào. Okay, let's find the boat that is here. Look who is here inside. I think there are more mini worms here, but we have to see actually what they exactly have here. Because it's very amazing here, interesting. But actually now we don't see anything. Here, string. Litter. Okay, take the litter out. Yeah, why no anything? I think there are centipede and millipedes. We don't see anything. Okay, let's find more. We can find until the end, until we see the big one. Okay. Why no? Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh. Look, echo. Hey, so cute, this barb. Oh, cool. Oh wow, it's one more giant millipede. It's so big. Oh, it looks. What are they doing? Oh. What this guy is doing? Oh, hey, what is doing? Oh my god. Oh, what is trying to do? Oh, This guy is aggressive. What? It's amazing. It's amazing. Okay, let's one more. Okay, one more. Wow. The most millipede I like the most. Okay, here. Yeah, stay there. Okay, let's one more. Oh. Wow, the baby snail was so cool, so cute. Okay. This is all the menu of earthworm. Look at earthworm like, oh, here. One more snails here. Wow, cool. And I see one more millipede. Oh, here. The mini short millipede. Oh, what is that? Where is it? So, okay. Here. Wow, so cute. What is it? Where is it? Here? Where are you guys? Where are you guys? Oh, 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 oh. Look at the black ant. Oh. What is doing? Oh. This black ant is so big. No more. No more millipede. I don't think there's an outro here. That's for, oh, yeah. Yellow snails. Okay, there's some spices here. Okay, this guys stay here. Here we show more. Oh, I see another one. Millipede. My millipede pet. My millipede pet. Here. See? Yeah. So cute. Oh. 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 Here. One more here and one more here. See, so many. There you go. Ooh. Oh, one more here. Okay. Wow. I want to see the centipede, but I don't have a chance to see it because I don't know where he lives. Okay, one more snails here. Oh, it's dead. It's the dead snail. So we don't take dead snail. Oh, we take only the alive creature. Out of millipede. Why out of millipede? Okay, I think that's all because I can't find any more millipede here, and I'm a bit tired, so let's skip it from here and see you on my next video. And if you are watching until now, please subscribe to my channel and like, comment and share. Thank you. See you next video. Bye bye.